Mina ngizokutshela iqiniso yazo. Umqondo wakho awazi ukuthi yini ecorrect, yini eright for wena. Awukwazi lokho umqondo wakho. Umqondo wakho uprogrammiwe, uconditioniwe, umqondo wakho unamanga. Yilokho kumele ukuthi ukwazi. Mase sewuthatha inqumo. How do you rely entweni efana naleyo? How do you start relying on something that is conditioned by those you came in contact with? Manje uthola ukuthi kune decision okumele ukuthi uyithathe. And umqondo wakho uzocalculate usebenzisa ama conditions wena owazi true kuwena. Awuzukwazi umqondo wakho ukucabanga beyond. Uzosebenza within the scope and the limits of your conditioning. That is why ku-human design sifocusa kulento ekuthiwa i-internal authority. Yes, because uyazi iqiniso ukuthi uyaye ufikelwe isigaba la khona ongazi ukuthi lesinqumo usithathe noma ungasithathe. And wenza njani lapho? You calculate, you analyze with your mind. But there is something oyikhohlwayo ekuyiyona ebaluleke kakhulu ehlukanisa inhloko nesixhandi ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasha uthi kungenzeka noma yini, noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Yabona, let go of the control. Your mind always thinks it is in control. The power that you have ilawa ento ongakwazi ukuyenza. Khona izinto ongeke uzukwazi ukuba necontrol yazo. Why ngisho njalo? Kunezinto ezi within i-consciousness yakho o-aware of zona futhi ozaziyo. Bese kuba nezinto ongazazi. Uyabona awuyazi into engakenzeki. Yes. Njengamanje mina ngingafika kuwena uhleli kanje njengoba ngihleli la. Ngithi mina awungiphushe phela sithi shwi la edrobheni. Yes. Bese umqondo wakho uthola ukuthi your guts, your sacral gut feeling ivele izizwa ingekho excited, izizwe inqena, yabo. Ibe na that resistance nje yakuconvince ukuthi asambe, yabo, uzame na ukuyiconvince ngomqondo wakho ukuthi anyway let me vele kade ngihleli lana vele this vele that, but uyayihudula egcineni. Usuzama ukuziconvince emqondweni wakho ukuthi kungani kumele ukuthi uhambe even though you feel ukuthi you shouldn't be going. Now you are trying to make the situation right ukuze ube ne reason yokwenza lokho, ukuze ube delusional ukuthi lento izokubenefita. Kanti ekugcineni kwakho konke the body is telling you ukuthi no, you don't want to go there. Guess what? Okuzolandela lapho history. History. Awungena ukuthola useyinkingeni nje zokuthi sekumele ugijime namathayi ngoba sekuqhuma amathayi manje sekuwuso untanta ubone ukuthi bengiyapi kwakona. Uthothi inkinga zalo themphelezeli sekungezakho ke manje. Uyayizwa leyo? That's just one scenario because you don't know what is going to happen, but your body already knows. Ngoba umzimba wakho une intelligence. Umzimba wakho uyakwazi ukuzenzela zonke izinto. Ubona ugunda intshebe, uyibona imila futhi intshebe, ugunda inwele, uyibona imile futhi inwele, uyaziregulate umzimba wakho, temperature minyuka, uyajuluka, uyaziregulate. Why ungawuthembi mase kumele kuthathwe inqumo pho? Why you don't trust it? Because your body is your subconscious mind, and the subconscious mind is connected to the superconscious, and that superconscious is what you call the omnipotent, the omnipresent, the God, the creator. They are instinct in your body. That is why I point you when you have intuition. Tina, guys, we have to listen. We have to learn to listen to our own internal authority. Let me not. Don't be like Don't get me wrong, ukuthi you don't have to use your mind at all. Your mind is for you to understand facts, to put things into context, understanding. That's what is it for. That's what is it for, analyzing the situation. But the final stamp, the pull trigger, is not there in the mind. It is in your own authority as per your chart. How do you feel mawuzwa lezinto? I'm just asking, mawuhlangana nento, someone is coming with an idea to you. Immediately ikhuluma lento, umzimba wakho uya-react. Immediately, mawukuthi maybe especially with generator, umzimba wakho uya-react. I'm excited to this. But people are convincing themselves ukuthi ngizobenefita kanjani lana ngeke benefite kanjani. They are calculative. They don't trust their internal authorities. They are calculative. Ungayenzi into engavumi kuwe in your gut, in your intuition, ungayenzi leyo nto. Musu ukuziconvince. Uyazi khona umuntu othola ukuthi njengamanje ustakhe nepromotion applyela yena kungesona isikhathi esiright. Ustakhe nayo ke manje. Because wabuka yena ukuthi the money, the status, wa compromise. Yes, as is ukuthi I won't have energy for this. That is an honest fact. I won't have any. This is not me, or at least I don't feel like taking this promotion or this position. That is the right lokungana for you, because your mind does not know what is going to happen in the next 1 minute. Your mind can tell you it's gonna be awesome, people are going to do. Yazi ukuthi 80% wezinto oyicabangile ukuthi izokwenza ngale ndlela obucabanga ngayo azenzekanga ngaleyo ndlela. 80% of them, they never happen that way. They never. I'm telling you, if you want to prove me wrong, just yabona lo icabanga manje izokwenza kanjani. Just wait for that particular day and see what is going to play out. Just observe. Do you still remember last time? Did it happen the way you thought? No, it did not. It did not. Even abanye emshadweni wabo akuhambanga ngale ndlela babecabanga ngayo bona. But umqondo waba convinced ukuthi this is the right time for you. But the intuition told you no, this is not. The gut told them this is not. You are not going to have it. But anyway, because of the story that my mind is telling me, I'm going to do it anyway. Learn to listen to your internal authority. You know when the time is right. You know. Iyona nhloso ye-human design leyo, good people. It's that decision making. How do you take decisions? Are you analyzing things? Are you listening to the story of your mind? The way you are conditioned and programmed. Who knows what is right for you? Because even the people that brought you up, they don't know what is right for you because they don't even know what role you are here to play. They can tell you that this is not right for you. Don't take this course. Don't take this. Don't do that. But they don't even know what is right for you. They don't even know your trajectory in this life. The trajectory of your life, the way in this life, it is here in the body. No one else knows. Even you don't know. Even you are guided. You are constantly guided. You only deal with what is in front of you. What is not in front of you is an abstract. It's a lie. Deal with what is coming in front of you right now, at this particular moment in time. Instinct. Do you think they are constantly thinking and calculating like you, which tomorrow and what they are going to say, and this is what I'm going to say, this is what they're going to do, and then if they do like this, I'm going to do like this? Do you think they are calculating like that their whole lives? You can't think life and live them at the same time. So you're going to do one. If you think life, you are not going to live it. If you live life, you are not going to think it. You have instincts that are very powerful and guts. We have different authorities in our body graph as per our charts. Go on with your chart. Buka lona lizokutshela.